Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel with Cooking with Cassie. The video that I just wanted to share with you guys is how I make my epis. Because as you guys know and as you guys see, every time when I am cooking, I'm always using epis. Epis is something that actually downsizes of all the ingredients that you use in your meat, whether it's even vegetables. So come on and I will show you guys exactly how we make epis. So as you guys can see, these are all the ingredients that you will need for epis. Scallions. Notice that my ends and my tips are cut. I'll be using cilantro and parsley. This is parsley and this is the cilantro. We'll also need onions, 1 whole onion, as many bell peppers as you like, whether it's green, red, or even orange. You'll need a blender, of course. And as you can see, your blender has to be filled with oil. As you notice, my oil is filled to all the way to 2 cups. You could put as much as 2 cups the most, or even 1 cup or 1.5 cups. But I always do 2 cups. I will also be using thyme. Usually I use the regular thyme, but this one I'm just being a little bit lazy, just to be honest. I'm just using this kind of type of thyme. I will also be using 3 cubes of bouillon, Maggi, or just Maggi as we call it. I usually put Scotch bonnet pepper, but due to that I have forgot to buy some. Just to give it a little kick, I will be using sriracha hot chili sauce. So how I start this, I will start off with my scallions. So they are already washed and clean. I just take my hand and just even break them in half, just like this. Or you can do it with a knife. Doesn't matter. Next, I'll be adding my parsley and cilantro. Next, I'll be adding my cilantro. So as you can see, we are getting somewhere. It's looking pasty, and that's exactly how it should look. Next is thyme, and add in your onions. And little by little, I'll just go ahead and add in some bell peppers. So now that our epis is done, you can go ahead and put it in anything or a container that you may have. So the container that I will be using, as you guys always know, I always use this container. And this always just have been a container I always use. It have just a little bit from the last one that I had. So what I do, I'll take this and just even just mix it in with the new one. So as you guys can see, my thing is full to the top. I still have a little bit. What I will just do is use some of this or majority of it in whatever I am doing. So now all my epis is mixed in.